Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I want to thank everybody that came out yesterday after the close. We had a great crowd for the second webinar in the Trading Psychology series, How to Handle Losses. Some great questions, some really good value there. It's up on the website. Come check it out. The recording is going out to everybody who attended this morning, direct to their email. But just it went better than I had hoped for as far as content went. So it's a very interesting subject, and I encourage you to check it out. Daily chart. So we print all-time highs yesterday. Remember, we're in a band ride, third day of the upper band ride. We've pulled back a little bit today. We've traded as low as 79.75. We ended up getting long against 80. We've taken profits overnight, and we've got even stop on the rest of our position, simply because, look, when this market pulls back and it starts to stall, it's an opportunity to buy. And the bears have got to prove themselves every time this happens. And to the extent that they can't prove themselves, it's just another buying opportunity, especially during the course of an upper band ride, especially in a market that, despite some weakness yesterday, we had some regular session weakness yesterday, we could not take out the weekly pivot down at 25.7633. It's noted right here. So you have the 9-day simple moving average coming into play now, coming in at 79. So effectively what's happened overnight is we've had a test of the 9-day simple that has bounced. Now we're trading where? 83s. We traded as high as 87 half in the overnight. Here's your hourly chart. They went up and did matching highs at 93 half yesterday. They did matching highs at 85 half too, so I can't get too hung up on that. Don't start saying double top, because it hasn't proven itself to be anything yet. We also have matching highs at 25.87 half. So you have two sets of matching highs, 87 half, 93 half. The bulls need to deal with both of those today. If they're going to keep the band ride going, they need to print another new all-time high. I mean, it sounds like a lot, and it is a lot, but those are the rules. If they want to keep the band ride going, they have to engage the upper band. That's going to take another all-time high to tag that line and keep the party going, so to speak. If they're unable to do that, if we are creating lower highs, I simply cannot take the bears seriously. I mean, I will short it. We were short yesterday, had a really nice short yesterday from the failure here around the 90 area. But I can't take them seriously to the point where I would consider even holding something beyond a rental or a quick trade or whatever word you want to choose, until they convert the weekly pivot to resistance. As long as we're living up here, shorts are, quick counter trend deals, and every dip is a buy because you get paid. So the conversation for the bears really starts. You have to say now 76 through 80, this entire block of price, because you've got weekly pivot there as well as the 9-day simple moving average. We were talking about the 9-day simple last week and the week before. It's been critical during this entire run-up. So how those two lines behave today over the course of the day related to any kind of a pullback is going to be big. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I will be out midday update and a wrap-up over on Twitter and Instagram. Come check us out in the room. Don't forget to check out the webinar. We're going to do another one next week. Next week's webinar is going to be called Princeton Trader 101. Basically, who are we? What do we do? How do we do it? It's the number one question I get all the time. So whether you're brand new to us or whether you're a member listening to this and you've been around for 4 or 5 years, you're going to want to come and check this out. We're going to break it down all the way to the core and talk about our view on markets and how we get it done and how we teach you how to do this stuff. All right. Take care. I'll catch you for that stuff. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.